Hello, I'm Shaunna. I'm passionate about pages and I love a scrapbook workshop kit. This is video number seven of a series of 8. If you've missed some of the earlier ones, just scroll through the other videos on this channel and you will be able to see what you've missed. And if you like what I'm sharing with you, don't forget to like and follow me because that really helps me to know what sort of content people are interested in seeing. So this then, made with Sweetness, has made a reasonably recent appearance on the Last Chance products, but it is discounted. So here in Australia, it retailed for $67, and on the 6th of August, at the time of filming, it's listed at $46.90. I loved this workshop. It doesn't have to have anything to do with fruit and jam and things. Just the colours work really well. Like these blues are perfect for a lot of clothing items at the moment. These pinky shades make a great backdrop. Look how beautiful they look against the greens in this particular one. And then the plainer background there really makes the photos pop on there. Now this one had a lot of photos. The technique was hidden photos. And my eye gets a bit twitchy when I can't see a full photo, so I didn't do that part of the technique. But if you like that kind of interactive thing, this is a great workshop for you to get. So I made these 3 layouts and then I made 2 extra from the leftovers. As I go through, have a look at them and tell me what your favorites are. This is layout number 1. Okay, so I started with this one and just added in an extra photo down here and a bigger photo here. So there was less of the paper showing and more photos showing. On this side, I put in an extra photo, same thing. I didn't need to see as much of the patterned paper behind it when I could fit extra photos in. My husband has been redoing our daughter and son-in-law's garden, and he often has the little ones in tow, and they've got some lovely photos of them all muddy and mucky and, you know, digging and raking. And I thought, wouldn't that be fun to put these photos on this very like pristine kind of background and then show our little mud monsters and the piles of dirt and things as a contrast. I think the pink will work really well with that. It's just my warped sense of humour. And I loved this one because it's got a really big space for journaling and there is a bigger story about the makeover. So that was number 1. Number 2, I kept the background again the same. I kept the photo placement the same too, but rather than the title covering the photo, I popped it up here because I don't love covering my photos. And I didn't like having only part of the journal box showing. I'm either like, show me all of it or make me lift a flap to see it all. So I popped the journal box there. And that meant then on this page, I could put more photos on there. Otherwise, I kept that pretty much the same. That was 2. This is 3. I loved everything about this this layout. This page, I just kept it the same, but again, just bumped up my elements off the photo there. And then over here, I extended the background so that I could fit some more photos in. But I really liked the little squares as landing places for embellishment clusters on this one. I thought that was a really sweet way to use the papers, because they're, you know, pretty bold, but just little bite-sized pieces of them. So that was number 3. Then this is my ones that I made from leftovers. This is number 4, and it will be photos. You see I've written on here what photos are going on it. I go away once a year with some of my very favourite scrapbooking friends. We've been doing it for 15 years. And this year, one of the girls made marmalade. And so every photo we took, we put marmalade in the photo. And it was just lots of silliness, but the photos aren't for public consumption. But that was lots of fun. So that's the only reference to marmalade. And then this is the last one that I made with my leftovers here. And I bought in the beautiful die cut set that coordinated with this suite because I just loved those ladybirds. So that was number 5. Have a look through and tell me your favourite. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then in the comments, tell me, are you the kind of person that just likes to get the instructions and copy them exactly? Or are you like me and you like to change things up a bit to suit your style and your photos? I'd love to know.